BoM Analyzer is a tool that enables users to evaluate the sustainability metrics of a bill of materials. It can also be used to compare sustainability indicators of several BoMs. In a web interface, one can create and edit a bill of materials. In this case, the user prepared a bill of materials for a kettle and want to complete it with a part. She adds a part, here, packaging, and the material it is made of, in this case cardboard. She completes with the mass of cardboard used. It is also possible to add processes, location, and transport as shown in this kettle BoM. BoM Analyzer calculates the climate change, CO2 equivalent, and the embodied energy of the entire product as well as per category, material, transport, process. It is also possible to compare two bills of materials. In this example, the user changes the manufacturing location, which implies a change of energy mix for the processes, and a change of transport as the production is closer to point of sale. He also changes the material grade from virgin to the same material with a typical amount of recycled material. The two versions of the product can be analyzed. The user can quickly perform what-if scenarios and assess the impact of the changes on the different indicators.